Businesses and residential users looking for cordless mobility options for their VoIP solution should look no further than Grandstreams DP750 and DP720. This powerful DECT cordless solution allows up to 5 DP720 handsets to be wirelessly paired with the DP750 base station to allow users to move around their office, home, warehouse, retail store, school, and more, while always having access to their SIP accounts. The DP720 handsets offer a range of up to 300 meters outdoors and 100 meters indoors from the DP750 base station to allow you to place handsets around any business or home, or to carry a handset with you to make sure that no calls are ever missed. The combination of the DP750 and DP720 supports up to 10 SIP accounts and 4 concurrent calls, while each handset supports up to 10 lines. The DP720 handset is extremely easy to use thanks to support for a variety of advanced telephony features. Full HD audio on both the speakerphone and the handset creates crystal clear calls. An intuitive user interface featuring a full color screen operating system makes interacting with the DP720 quick and easy. Support for 3-way voice conferencing allows for quick and easy collaboration. Want to put the DP720 on your desk, in your pocket, or on your belt? We offer a 3.5mm headset jack and an included belt clip. The DP750 and DP720 offer a wide variety of provisioning and management methods, including zero configuration when using with Grandstreams UCM series of IP PBXs. Also supported are updates over the air to make configuring and updating this DECT IP solution as easy as possible. Add mobility to your office, home, warehouse, school, retail store, and more with the DP750 and DP720 from Grandstream. Contact your Grandstream distributor today for more information.